Welcome back to Car Updater. Today we're talking about one of the most advanced and talked about tanks in modern military history, the 2026 version of Russia's T-14 Armata. Built for the future of armored warfare, this tank stands out with its futuristic design, high-tech systems, and powerful performance. The T-14 Armata was developed by Uralvagon Zavod and represents a major shift in Russian tank philosophy. Unlike older models, it uses a completely new chassis and is the world's first mass-produced tank with an unmanned turret. In the 2026 version, several upgrades have been added to make the T-14 even more lethal and intelligent on the battlefield. Its main gun remains a 125mm smoothbore cannon, capable of firing standard shells, armor-piercing rounds, and even guided missiles. It's fully automated, controlled remotely from inside the tank's armored capsule. This unique design keeps the crew, consisting of just 3 members, completely isolated in a reinforced hull, offering maximum protection from hits. This armored capsule is made from composite materials and provides high survivability in combat situations. The T-14's fire control system has received significant upgrades. It now features AI-assisted targeting, thermal imaging, and automatic target recognition. This means the tank can track and engage multiple targets quickly, even in low visibility conditions like night, smoke, or fog. In terms of mobility, the 2026 Armata runs on a 1,500 horsepower diesel engine. It can reach speeds up to 75 km per hour on roads and handles rough terrain with ease. Despite its weight of around 55 tons, it remains surprisingly agile for a tank of its size. Armor has always been a strong point of the Armata. The 2026 version includes the latest generation of the Afghanit Active Protection System. This system can detect incoming anti-tank missiles or shells and intercept them using explosive charges before impact. Additionally, the T-14 uses radar and electronic warfare systems to jam enemy guidance systems, making it very hard to hit. Combined with reactive armor and stealth technology to reduce radar signature, the T-14 is built to dominate in any conflict. One of the most futuristic aspects of the 2026 Armata is its network-centric warfare capability. It can share real-time data with drones, infantry, and other armored units, giving commanders a clear view of the battlefield and improving coordination. Inside the tank, the crew benefits from modern digital interfaces, touchscreens, and automated systems. This reduces workload and allows them to focus on decision-making rather than manual operation of weapons and sensors. The T-14 is also designed with future upgrades in mind. It's modular, meaning its main systems can be swapped out for newer technology without replacing the entire vehicle. This gives it a long service life and adaptability as warfare evolves. Now, let's talk price. The expected cost of a 2026 T-14 Armata is estimated to be between $8 million and $10 million USD per unit. That makes it one of the most expensive tanks in the world, but also one of the most advanced in terms of capability and survivability. Currently, the T-14 is produced in limited numbers and mainly reserved for elite Russian units. However, discussions about export have started, and countries like India and Algeria have shown interest in acquiring this next-gen tank. The 2026 Armata is more than just a weapon, it's a showcase of what future armored warfare could look like. Whether or not it becomes widely deployed, its design and technology will influence tanks for decades to come. Thanks for watching Car Updater. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2026 T-14 Armata, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon. We've got more tech, more firepower, and more updates coming your way soon.